Ek Bharat, Shresth Bharat. Let us know more about Himachal Pradesh. The people of Himachal Pradesh celebrate life every day, and it's apparent in their ethnic diversity. The art of Himachal Pradesh has grown out from cultural strains, migrations, and religious beliefs. The culture of Himachal Pradesh is largely reflected in the people, like diverse tribes, in their food habits, occupations, and their traditional dressing. The traditional dress of Himachal Pradesh. The Himachali people are widely divided into two ancient classes, Brahmins and Rajputs. Men wear a long kurta over chudidar pajamas that hold the ankles tight. They drape a lengthy silky overcoat over it. The women wear long dresses from their neck to their feet. It is in the shape of a kurta and they wear it over a skirt like dress or a loose salwar. Art and painting of Himachal Pradesh. Kangra painting is the pictorial art of Kangra, named after Kangra, Himachal Pradesh, a former princely state which patronized the art. One striking feature of Kangra paintings is the verdant greenery it depicts. Kangra paintings depict the feminine charm in a very graceful manner. Tanka painting is a unique Himalayan art that attained classical levels in the Tibetan tradition between the 7th and the 12th centuries. Dance forms of Himachal Pradesh. Nathi is a traditional folk dance practiced in the western and central hills of the Indian subcontinent. It is primarily native to the states of Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand. The Khayang Mala dance is another dance form of Himachal Pradesh. Dancers dress in traditional finery, weave their arms together to form a sort of a crisscross pattern in order to appear like beads in a woven garland. Demon Rakshasa dance. Our dances from the Kinnaur area are reminiscent of the prehistoric period. The Kinnaur folk are compared to playful deer. This dance form is performed with demon masks numbering 3, 5, 7 or 9. It depicts the attack of the demons on the crops and their ritual chasing away by the forces of good. Art and craft of Himachal Pradesh. The Chamba Rumal or Chamba handkerchief is an embroidered handicraft that was once promoted under the patronage of the former rulers of Chamba kingdom. It is a common item of gift during marriages with detailed patterns in bright and pleasing color schemes. The metal craft of Himachal Pradesh stands exemplary as the antique metal statuettes are one of the most significant aspects in many temples of Himachal Pradesh. Pashmina shawl. It is a product which is highly in demand not only in Himachal Pradesh but all over the country. The tribal jewelry of Himachal Pradesh is very unique as well as varied. The chunky bead and metal jewelry of the hill people is very common as well as popular in this region. Fine jewelry of Himachal Pradesh is usually crafted out of silver and gold. Monuments of Himachal Pradesh. Hadimba Devi Temple is a cave temple dedicated to Hadimba Devi, a figure in the Indian epic Mahabharata. People worship Hadimba as a deity in the form of a huge rock protruding out of the ground. The temple is surrounded by cedar forest and the place is called as Dhungiri Van Vihar. Outside the temple, there is a small part of Mahabharata written and displayed for the public, which tells the story of the Pandyas staying in Himachal while they were in exile. Champavati Temple is located behind the city police post and treasury building. Raja Sahil Varman built the temple in memory of his daughter Champavati, who is believed to have influenced her father to set up Chamba at its present location. The temple is in the Chikara style with elaborate stone carvings and the wheel roof. The Rashtrapati Niwas, formerly known as Vice Regal Lodge, is located on the Observatory Hills of Shimla. It was formerly the residence of the British Viceroy of India. The festivals of Himachal Pradesh. Kullu Dasara is one of the most significant festivals in Himachal Pradesh. It is a grand fair organized every year in the month of October in the Dhalpur Maidan in the Kullu Valley. Losar, a religious festival of Himachal Pradesh, is celebrated the uniqueness of Tibetan ethnicity in Himachal Pradesh. The valley of Dharamshala echoes with a pulsating folk music accompanied by rhythmic thumbs of charm the folk dance. People make special cakes and alcoholic beverages. Lamas light butter lamps signifying Buddha's enlightenment. Celebrated on the auspicious occasion of Magha Purnima, Halda, one of the beautiful festivals in Himachal Pradesh, closely resembles Diwali, the festival of lights. It is a 2-day grand carnival celebrated in the secluded region of Lahaul Valley. Dhungri Fair has its uproot in the epic of Mahabharata. The day is marked as the birthday of Hadimba, Bhim's wife, thus is also known as Hadimba Devi's Fair. The locals gather at a spot and pay tribute to Hadimba, who is so the local deity. Bringing religious fervor and spiritual ecstasy to the whole valley of Kinnaur is the ancient Sazo festival. Being one of the beautiful festivals of Himachal Pradesh, Sazo rooted in the strong belief that during this time, deities ascend back to heaven for some time. Food culture. Madra is originally a delicacy that belongs to the Chamba district of Himachal Pradesh. The dish mainly consists of the soaked chickpeas or vegetables. Dham is a complete food that, along with a great taste, promises a healthy dose of nutrients. They, a famous dish of Himachal Pradesh that is fondly eaten in the households of the Himachali people. Hay is a delicious dish which is prepared with lotus stems. A typical Himachal delicacy, Chha Gosht, is a scrumptious dish prepared with marinated lamb which is further cooked in the gravy of gram flour and yogurt. Siddu. Made from wheat flour, it is a local side dish of Himachal Pradesh which greatly complements the main course of mutton or some vegetables. Babru is a flat bread which is prepared with the stuffing of black gram paste which is added to the kneaded stuff. Aktori is a festive dish which is very much enjoyed by the people of Himachal Pradesh during their festive time. Aktori is prepared in the form of a cake or pancake made with the buckwheat leaves which is further cooked in the wheat flour. Kullu trout is a famous dish of Kullu region which is prepared with the trout fish. The marinated fish is cooked in the minimal spices to keep the nutrients and the original taste of trout intact. The dish is best coupled with a number of boiled vegetables and hence it remains one of the healthiest delicacies of Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh is a northern Indian state in the Himalayas. It's home to scenic mountain towns and resorts such as Dalhousie. Host to the Dalai Lama, Himachal Pradesh has a strong Tibetan presence. This is reflected in its Buddhist temples and monasteries as well as its vibrant Tibetan New Year celebrations. The region is also well known for its trekking, climbing, and staying areas. Thank you so much for watching this video.